don't you go out there and buy that body scrub. We have body scrub at home. And I'm gonna show you how you can make your own with some simple steps, simple ingredients. Emulsified sugar body scrubs are a great way to not only exfoliate, but also moisturize your skin. And today I'm going to be using a combination of butters, oils, and waxes to get a nice creamy texture. So here's what you're going to need to make this body scrub. You're going to need shea butter, cocoa butter, almond oil, fractionated coconut oil, BTMS-50 Emulsifying Wax, Cetyl Alcohol, an Optiphen Preservative, your choice of essential oil or a fragrance oil, vitamin E oil, mica powder, and then of course the main thing, the main attraction is granulated sugar. So we are going to do this body scrub in two phases, which is an oil phase that we're going to heat up and a cool down phase. So for the oil phase, we're going to measure out our mango butter, cocoa butter, almond oil, fractionated coconut oil, our BTMS-50 Emulsifying Wax, and then last but not least, we'll measure out our cetyl alcohol. Once we have added all of our oil phase ingredients, we are going to gently melt it over a low heat until it is completely liquid. Once it is melted, we are going to take it off heat so that it can cool. And while cooling, we are going to begin measuring out our cool down, which is our preservative, our vitamin E, our essential oil, and our sugars. Once the mixture has cooled down, to trace consistency, add in your sugared ingredients and mix really well. Okay, so there you have it. That is a quick rundown of how to make a luxurious emulsified sugar body scrub. And the longer it sits to cool, the thicker it gets, making it feel so smooth and creamy on your skin. So I hope that you have found this video helpful. If you have, I love to read comments, so let me know in the comments. If you have questions, put those in the comments as well. And then of course, like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss another video. So until next time, happy crafting.